I've just seen Josh's comment, and I've remembered he does excellent videography. All right, you should check out his channel on YouTube. He has a new channel. What's the name of your new channel, Josh? I know your old channel. It's called African Focus. African Focus. So if you need a videographer, just look for Josh. If at all you'll be able to afford him. His videos are clean. You know, a clean video. It looks like it has been made by those guys on CNN. Very dope stuff by Josh Muuo. Check out his channel, African Focus. Now he's doing infrastructure videos. He used to work with African Traveler, and then I think now he's gotten his wings, and now he's already doing his channel. His channel is doing well. It already has 359 subscribers and 21 videos. Hey, Josh, you're doing well, my brother.